One of the most welcome features of the new RoboHelp Reimagined is the concept of preview in place. Here's what we mean as we shift from author to code to preview. The concept of content layering is extremely important. That's where Dropdown hotspots come in handy. RoboHelp makes it easy with cut and paste in no time. Cut the text, table, or graphic. Then select the text for the drop-down hotspot. Next, paste the clipboard content into the drop-down text area. Rinse and repeat. Click Preview in place. RoboHelp's editor and authoring view keeps you focused on your work because it corrects many items like broken links in the background. But occasionally you might import some content that contains a glitch. If that happens, there is a handy code view to help you diagnose the situation. To examine a certain section of content, make a selection. Notice that the area highlighted in the authoring view retains its highlighting in the code view, making it easy to find. And it's a two-way street. The selection works both ways. In our example here, I've noticed a red error indicating a problem. Well-formed code is important, and RoboHelp's editor performs validation checks and provides autocorrect code warnings and recommendations for fixing. This tells me that I have an uppercase B which should be lowercase. The minute I repair the case, the error goes away. Autocomplete attributes and pretty print for well-organized and readable code is also provided. Authoring view for making edits, code view for validation, preview in place. It's RoboHelp Reimagined.